So I called our instructor to double check if we should come or not. He said, of course you should come. Anyway, you're gonna get wet.
Deus. Dennis.
Deus,
No,
No, the brand.
Oksy, come on. Come on, Oksy, come on. Your boobs are gonna end up in your brain, okay? So
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going now to our first kitesurfing class on Nessnass beach. Too long kitesurfing was our goal for 2017, but it didn't happen, so we're gonna make it in 2018. But unfortunately the weather today is not ideal. It's a sandstorm and it's raining, so I called our instructor to double check if we should come or not. He said, of course you should come. Anyway, you're gonna get wet. So we are going there now. So here is our instructor.
Hi guys.
hey man, how's it going?
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hi Luca.
Hey, good to see you again.
Hi Luca. Nice to meet you.
Deus, man.
Deus.
Deus or Juice?
Deus. Dennis.
Deus, yeah,
No,
Deus, right?
No, the brand.
Okay guys, well we're gonna take all our stuff. We're gonna go up here to the rocks. Okay, wind's a little bit funky because of the rain. That's why it's all like, when I came it was coming from here, and from here, and from here. So
I think you're gonna fly away.
I try not to. Okay, I'm gonna tie this guy on to you so you
Yeah,
can go
exactly.
anywhere.
Anywhere.
Okay? I want to take the bars also. And Oksy, you wanna take it?
So we got our equipment and now we are going toward the beach where we're gonna start our training. How do you feel?
Oh, it's too windy.
Too windy, but we are very excited.
Guys seems very confident that everything is fine.
Luckily the rain stopped, because when it's very windy like now and rainy, it's very difficult to concentrate on something. And we brought our equipment. Now we are waiting for the coaches and we will start.
Hey guys, all good?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Now we're gonna have a small explanation how to start.
You did it here. So hold the bar and just unravel the lines as you walk. The leading edge is this big tube, okay? That's what gives the kite the shape, all right? You need to make sure that the leading edge is making a T with the direction of the wind.
Okay.
The size of this kite is 15. That's what we're gonna use today. But it looks quite big, so I think it will take time to pump it up.
Oksy, come on.
Come on, Oksy, come on. Come on! The middle of the kite needs to be facing into the wind, okay? This means that the wind is not pushing the kite down into the sand, so it's not going to fly away. It's going to have a knot, and the other side is going to have a loop, okay? Like this, okay? And we need to push the loop through itself, okay? Like here. Okay, and take it out, push it through, like this. Grab the knot, push this through, tighten it up, okay? And then slide it to the end, just like this. And then pull it to the end, and then make it a bit tighter. All right, job done. The wind is a bit strange.
It's changing directions.
All the time. All the time. It's supposed to be coming from this side, but it's still coming from here.
Everything is good so far, so our kite is ready. Now we will put our harness, how it's called, harness?
Harness? I don't know, yeah, something.
Harness on, everything looks easy, and we passed through some theoretical part of it.
So now we're almost
try it.
professional.
Yeah, you can subscribe to our new kite school in April.
Yeah, so it needs to be pretty.
But is 12 good for Oksy?
She'll also need a bigger kite.
She also need a bigger
Yeah,
kite?
yeah, yeah.
Oh
She'll
my
need
god.
like a 14 or the 15. The 12 sometimes, you know, like yesterday the 12 would have been fine for Oksy. But, you know, like...
Yeah, but summer is coming, I think it
yeah,
will
but
be
it's not
worse.
still not so windy. You know, for Dubai you need like pretty big kite.
I feel strong enough with this belt. Oh,
Okay, good on this side.
I should be tight.
Okay, yeah. For the girls especially, otherwise your boobs are gonna end up in your brain, okay? So it's not good.
the wind is so strong that we had to open another kite, different size, because that one is not going to fly properly. We finished our first day. It's extremely windy, so we couldn't finish 3 hours. We're gonna take them next time. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. We learned how to ride a kite in the water. I even had a chance to have a ride on the back of the instructor. When you pull a kite a little bit, you just fly easily. So it's quite dangerous sport. But you feel like when you kite, you feel a lot of freedom, like you can beat everything, like you are just flying in the air above the water. Such a cool feeling. Did you like it, Dennis?
Yeah, big time, big time. It's really cool.
And now I think we will go to the shop to buy wetsuits for us because it's cold. And when you spend 3 hours in the water and it's so windy, you just freezing a little bit. So we are gonna buy our wetsuits now. We went to Sun & Sand Sports Outlet in Alcuz to check out the wetsuits, but they didn't have anything, so I think we need to go to some other stores. But I bought my new Nike shoes for the gym. It's here. And now we are going back home to continue working on our stuff. And thank you for watching, guys. Continue or follow my future kitesurfing classes, kitesurfing story, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.